Welcome back to another Space Gas video tutorial. In today's video, we'll walk through how to create a finite element circular hollow section with a tapered reducer. This tutorial will demonstrate several useful modelling techniques that are commonly applied when working in space gas, particularly when converting members to plates and creating tapered geometry. We'll begin by creating the base member for the model. First, create a vertical member that is 1 metre long. Next, assign a section to this member. Open Shape Builder and select a circular hollow section, specifying a 150mm diameter with a 5mm wall thickness. With the member selected, navigate to Member Tools and choose Convert to Plates. Select 36 segments and apply a uniform mesh size of 0.02 meters. To start forming the taper, select the top nodes of the member. Right-click and choose Copy Nodes, then select a long line. Create one copy, positioned 1 metre above the original nodes. Once the copied nodes are created, select them and go to Node Tools. Use Create Members between nodes to connect the new nodes together. To generate members that connect these nodes back to a central point, select the nodes again and choose Node Tools. Extrude to Members, to Point. Select the centre of the circular section as the target point. Next, select the central node and go to Node Tools. Generate Shape. Circle. Set the plane to XZ. Define the radius as 0.03625 meters and specify 36 segments, then confirm. Now select all of the newly created members and use Member Tools. Connect, setting a clearance of 1 millimeter. To convert these members into plates, select them and navigate to Mesh Tools. Generate plate mesh from members. Set the plate thickness to 5 millimeters, the mesh size to 1, and enable Allow Invalid Elements, then click OK. At this stage, select all temporary members used for construction and delete them from the model. To form the taper, select the relevant nodes and apply the Stretch command option 2. Select both the central node and a perimeter node and move them downward by 0.4 meters. Once the taper is formed, select the plates at the top of the model and delete them. Next, select all remaining nodes and move them so they align correctly over the CHS. Select 2 nodes and use Copy Nodes. To location, specifying a distance of 0.5 meters. Then, draw a single plate joining these nodes with a thickness of 5 millimeters. To complete the circumference, copy this plate using Copy Along Arc. Set the angle increment to 10 degrees. Create 35 copies about the y-axis and define the center point as 0, 0, 0. Finally, select all plates in the model. Right-click and navigate to Mesh Tools, Advanced Mesh Tool. Set the mesh size to 0.02 meters and apply the mesh. That completes the process of creating a finite element circular hollow section with a tapered reducer in Space Gas. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials for more practical modelling tips. We'll see you in the next video.